On January 3, 2024, Greenfield, Wisconsin police began pursuing a high-speed vehicle. When the suspect named Lance got out of the car, he made an incredible claim: "I'm a CIA agent." But the truth was about to be uncovered.
Adam Victor Young, 8433. Getting out.
10-4, 73.
What's up? Step back. What are you doing?
I don't know. What's up?
What are you?
What's
Don't reach for anything. Walk in front of my squad. Just walk in front of my squad. You're speeding.
Oh, sorry about that.
Just walk in front of the squad. What's that?
Said this guy probably OD. He's one of my informants.
He's one of your informants?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think
I'll come inside with you.
Yeah, come on.
All right. Who are you?
I tried to base on the last name, and then I also tried to base on
The officer repeatedly asked, "Which division are you with?" But Tunnel dodged every single question, only saying, "One of my informants has suffered an overdose." However, when they opened the door, a woman told the officer the shocking truth.
my flashlight.
Who are you?
Lance.
With who? I don't know who he's with, but some agency says an informant of his is over.
Hey, Joe.
3850 West College. Yeah, you might as well send rescue.
You alright?
Huh?
You say you're over. What's up?
Say what?
You say you're OD. What's up?
No, I didn't say
Get the hell out of here, dude.
Oh, I thought he was OD.
Nobody
You good?
OD'd.
Dude,
Are you serious?
Where's my
You
money?
just
Why
stole
did you
our
call
money.
us?
You just stole our money
Nobody's
from our
stealing anything
house.
from you. Why did you call us?
He stole our money from
Okay.
our house. We have him on video.
I was
He
just,
is impersonating a cop, or he is pretending to be a cop. We have him on video on the computer.
Is that why you called?
He stole our money out of
Hey,
our
Joey,
room.
you got surveillance? Huh? You have surveillance? 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 You have it?
Yes, it is you and your wife pulling up in your car. We just went to go meet you for drinks at the bar,
Really?
and you weren't there. You
I'm
called
texting
us.
him.
We
Okay.
have proof.
We can talk to you about that. We've got more squads on the way.
The couple explained that Lance, who called himself Brazil, was their friend, a supposed police officer who provided security the day they installed a safe. That same safe that Tunnel and his wife later robbed, taking $1,500.
What did we do wrong?
Who is this guy to you?
He's our friend, supposedly.
Oh.
Supposedly our friend.
dude, and
Why you send me a
he just sent me
message
this thing
saying
saying he's
Are
CIA.
you serious?
And I just found it.
Brazil, you come here every day. You've met my son.
So what's going on?
What are you talking about?
Why'd you call and say you
And I
OD?
found
You
the
stole
thing
our
on-
money
Okay,
from our
we'll
house.
talk about it.
Who are you?
Why'd you call and say you OD?
Who are
Nobody-
you? Nobody called the cops. You told us you were gonna bring our money back.
Yeah, I have.
What are you talking about? You
The money in the safe that you helped install
06, I'll meet you up
yesterday.
here too.
Who is this guy? He's
I-
a cop?
I don't know who he
He's
is.
not a cop.
Who
He's
is he to you?
impersonating.
not a
He's
cop.
supposed to be
Every
our
time I was a cop.
friend. He just stole money from our house.
Hey,
He took
so it was a
$1,500.
phone
He took
call to OD.
$1,500 from our house.
In the house.
Katie is saying that there's money missing, so
Katie's saying? Are you serious?
What
Are
is
you?
he doing right now? He's
Is he a real cop?
I'm at their house right now.
Is this
They-
guy a cop?
They called and said it was OD.
Nobody called and said there was an OD. You just stole my. We were supposed to meet you and your wife out for drinks. Are you a cop?
No, I'm not a cop.
So what are
he
you
just, he
doing?
just broke into my room. I can show you my room.
He
Okay.
broke
Show
into
me the
our
room.
room.
Please show me the room.
Can you guys see my room? You guys.
Who's this
We have
guy?
video surveillance. He has a video.
You come over here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you come over here. Somebody go assist Billy.
Stand by for a second, babe.
Can I come inside and talk to you?
Yes.
It's freaking weird.
Dude.
He knows something.
Listen,
Who is this
he's
guy?
like our
It's just
friend.
freaking weird, man.
He's married to one of my
Listen,
best
he,
married to my best friend.
married to one of his best friends. He's been here all the time. We hang out
Deal with
all the
him.
time.
I don't know who he is.
Yeah, he's not a cop.
He's like delusional.
Listen, he's come here all the
is
time.
what he just sent me.
helped. Yeah, he helped.
Look, this is just from earlier. Like, we're on our way. I'll pay you for the drinks. I told him. I
we
got
asked
the
him to
drinks.
get his shots
Told
because
him
it was
now,
bar
is it closed?
closed.
We got there late. You straight up. You believe in magic? keep hanging up on me like a little kid, letting me get my. And then
What's this about stealing money?
He came in here.
There's no over.
No. Nobody called about an over. I don't even know who called. He called.
All right,
the
I'm with
cops.
3 parties inside. Everything's 10-4 inside. There's no overdose. I don't know who the subject is outside.
There's a robbery though.
There's a robbery.
Okay.
He came in here.
He said he was gonna bring it back.
He came. He helped him install a safe yesterday, and to put his cash in. And it's bolted to our nightstand, and he came in here, and when we pulled up, his wife was in the car, and he came running, not running, we were in the car, we took a picture on Snapchat, and then he came out of the house, and they took off, and then we came in, and he said on his way out, got it, to him. We came in here, and our room is all tossed, and...
That just tonight?
Yeah,
Yeah,
just right now.
20 minutes ago.
We were deciding if we were going to call you, because he said he was going to
But
bring
he
the
said
money
he was going to bring it back.
The couple even presented proof of their conversations.
Basically, this guy's an informant. This girl called and said he was OD. I got here, and your buddy sees me speeding, whatever. Now they're saying something about some money missing or whatever. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay,
He sells drugs,
who do you work for? Special Activities Division.
Okay, what company is that?
Yeah, I mean,
What company is it?
what are we doing here, man?
I don't know. Your buddy assisted me, so hey, we're good. Yeah, that was false. She's high out of her mind right now, so.
I will show them this.
They're claiming the guy outside is impersonating an officer.
Yeah, he's not a cop. He was our friend. We don't know.
He's the one that was driving that car.
Yeah.
Yes, he came into our house and stole money earlier today.
$1,500.
Like an hour ago.
He's like delusional. You pulling up, entering my room, and taking my. And then I've always been nothing but nice to you, bro. Awesome. I have a copy too. I'll be parked in the driveway on my way. You put, and then that's what happened. And he's did this to me before. Like he put a gun in my head already. How do I know I'm gonna be safe?
How did you meet this guy?
Through him, his one.
He's married to my a friend I've known for 20 years.
Okay.
You got an ID on you?
I just have this here.
Okay, well, I'm gonna need your name. So, you got any identification as far as your name?
No.
I'm gonna need that.
Yeah, we don't run with names.
Okay, well, I'm gonna need your name.
Hey, yeah. So, what do you want me to do?
What I want you to do is give him your name.
Oh, I'm talking.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm talking to you.
I need
Give me
a
your
first name
right
and
now.
I need a first name and a last name.
Lance Coleman.
Lance?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
What's your last name?
Can you talk?
Can you spell it for me?
Comer.
What's the middle initial for you?
There's no.
Okay, what's your date of birth?
There's no.
I need your date of birth.
Why?
Because I need to identify who you are. You're just flashing a badge around here, man, not giving me anything other than that. Yes, you are. You're going and fucking chasing this guy around. That's who my officer was chasing after.
Nobody. This guy's.
Give me your date of birth.
What is your date of birth?
This guy sells pounds of.
Give me your date of birth.
Date of birth, or you go to jail right now.
You go to jail.
Give me your date of birth, dude.
12/18.
What year?
84. Oh, I said it was OD, bro.
What company do you work for?
Patriot Defense.
Patriot Defense. Okay.
Finally, Lance told the officers about his company, Patriot Defense, private company supporting CIA Special Forces. But wait, could Lance be telling the truth?
Is there a reason that you finally told me now after we've been talking for 5 minutes?
They're in my ear. Like,
Okay, but I'm
you
in
said
front
he
of
was
you.
OD, bro. Like, you know, I rushed over here. Like, he's OD
Okay,
before.
but do you understand
know?
how weird this looks?
It does.
You show up with this maybe real badge, right? In a vest, all this stuff. You don't tell us who you are, what you're doing here,
I got you.
anything at all.
I have to have permission, bro. Sorry.
You have to have permission to talk to the police. No, you don't.
Yes.
Can I show you where he broke?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Is he gonna be good? You want to put him away?
No, he's good. He's good. I'm just to be safe. He's 13 years old.
All right. I just don't want to get bit. That's all.
Not that I know. He didn't have to bit nobody. I took him from a friend.
Just hold- yeah, hold on.
Couldn't handle him. That big.
I just want to preface. I'm not here for any drug. If there is in general.
No.
I don't care what's
Listen,
inside your
He
house.
just came and threw, tossed the whole room.
Like all my
This
shoes.
is the safe that it was in.
That's what he broke open.
Yeah, he
I
broke
had
that open and there's
$1,500 in there that I was saving
$1,500.
for a truck.
Okay.
He just helped him
He
install
used
it
that
yesterday.
hammer too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, we were supposed to meet them at the bar and we were running late.
Okay, so you were supposed to meet him at the bar. You were running late.
Yeah, and
You actually went to the bar?
we went to the
And you
bar.
think
He was
that-
parked outside with
You
his
think
wife.
while you were at the bar is when he came
Yeah,
here?
so we talked to him on the phone. He said we were at the wrong bar. And we're like, no, this is the only corner club we know. And so we went in, and it was already last call, so we put 20 in the machine. And then by the time we left, he was pulling out when I was waiting for him to come out of the bar.
Okay.
Then when we showed up here, he was coming out of the house, and his wife was in the car.
Okay. Was there any conversation about an over? Do you get that?
No, we have no idea what
Okay.
he's talking about.
Okay. All right. Would you guys like to file a report for
Yes.
the burglary?
Yes,
All right.
yes.
Let me go get my notebook quick, and then I'll come back inside. Okay?
Yeah, we should have video. He has a ring doorbell.
Yeah, that's what I'm. Do you guys have video that
Yeah,
we can
he
wrap
has
this
a
up
ring
right away?
doorbell. Joe does.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we take a look at that?
Yeah. Can you get Joe?
I'll toss them there.
Yeah, I saw
Joe.
that. They led me back there already.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, he took about 1,500.
Just cash?
Just cash.
Anything else in there? Or?
No, just the money was in there.
I mean,
Okay.
they tossed a bunch of shoes and stuff, but the shoes.
Yeah, I don't know. He might have took shoes. I'm not sure what's missing. He just put a gun in my head before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like because he thought it was whispering something to his wife.
Yeah.
Okay. It was your impression that he was coming back to give you the
To
money.
give her money, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
But then
why.
he said that thing
that's
about
why
the-
you put in my head already. How do I know I'm gonna be safe meeting you in the driveway?
So you think he came in the back door?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my room was locked, so he broke.
Yeah, he broke in our room. It has
Okay.
a lock on it. You can see the marks on the door. And then he was telling us he was gonna bring it back. That's why we didn't call you guys, because we told him we were gonna call the cops. And yeah, when he said he was gonna be here to bring the money back, that's when you guys were here. Yeah, the money's got to be in the car, right? Are we allowed to get that money back?
Give us his money.
Like, are you guys allowed to search your car to see if our money's in there?
Where is he headed now?
Just pull up that CIA thing.
Oh, the CIA one.
This is saying he works for the CIA.
Dude, we found that on Etsy.
Be sure to
Like, you can
show
get
my
that off of
credentials.
Etsy. Yeah.
And yeah, I just did a Google
Search or whatever. Where you take
And
that in.
just for our knowledge, nobody in here is an informant of anyone.
no.
No. Yeah.
Are you able? My email's on the bottom of the card here. Right down there. Can you screenshot any pertinent text messages, especially the one with the CIA poster that he sent you?
Okay.
And just send them to my email so we can attach it to the case.
Yeah, they call it the EOD, bro.
Who called?
His shit called said, "Gate is OD, get over here quick." So
Nobody in there knows who you are.
Really?
Yeah.
I get first, last name. So the white guy last name's Wagner. Then you have Katie, and then you have Joey. Signature or something like that. Yes.
Go ahead.
What's Joey's last name?
We could just go 10-12 with him with the gun here.
I told you my last name, Palmer, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, they're putting me in handcuffs right now.
We don't. Turn around.
Who are you talking to?
I'm on a phone call.
Yep, hey, don't move, don't move.
Don't.
You got a wallet on you?
Why are you putting me in handcuffs?
You're under arrest for obstructing right now.
Round his wife. The wife. Okay. So that's not work.
We know. I didn't tell you. We know this guy. The family friend.
Can you hold on to that?
Impersonating? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you open this up?
Personating? Come on, bro. You're more crazy than
Bye.
Yeah.
All right, just have a seat for a minute. So, there's the gun in between the seat. You can see it.
Come here.
What's this? Good, yes. Super. Go ahead, this is good. Yes, good job.
Nick, here, go. Good, yes. Good job, go Zook. Over here. Up. Seat. Life.
The story ends with Lance being arrested and taken to jail, where he broke his hand punching a wall in frustration. He was found guilty of multiple crimes, resisting arrest, impersonating a CIA agent, and theft. Let this be a lesson to us all. Be very careful about who you trust and let into your home.